Cars on concrete streets, they feel out of place.
Body language and facial expressions and lip reading become really important for people with a hearing loss to be able to follow the story or follow the conversation. And without those extra cues that they're relying on, they often miss the story or miss the conversation.
It's a really high number of Australians who are just getting by. They think that their hearing's okay and they make do.
People with hearing loss find background noise very, very difficult. They generally struggle a lot with restaurants, car noise, traffic noise, music in the car.
The first thing we really had to do was to be able to emulate different types of hearing loss. So our first point was to get into the audiograms that come from prospective patients, to then emulate the way they're hearing the world.
Things like rain, thunder, passing cars, talking, other people speaking. We used those elements and we manipulated their frequency range so that it sits over the part of the everyday dialogue that people with hearing loss actually have left.
We chose dialogue that we know at a certain frequency will interfere with the sound levels, and what this does is, in a really subtle way, it just completely disorientates the situation for somebody who can't hear.
Normally in a film I would be making it sound filmic and beautiful. We had to do the exact opposite with this. It's about confusion, it's about creating discomfort, it's about distracting them so that they almost automatically switch off.
We start masking the performances, so a lot of the shots are deliberately shot from behind the actor who's speaking, so you're really reading the performance of the person who isn't speaking.
They stop listening, they stop being able to understand, and they reach for all the other elements in life that they use to join the dots.
Some people will watch this film and they'll hear a love story and they'll see a love story, and for other people they'll see a relationship that slowly over time falls to pieces.